of July, where the horizon folds in a silver sky. A seagull stands on one thin leg, like it's balancing a secret it won't beg. The tide rolls in with a patient sigh. It's been here longer than goodbye. It whispers names into the foam of every wing that's flown from home. White feathers flashing in the sun, chasing something always on the run. Oh, the seagull and the sea, one wants air, one wants eternity. One keeps flying wild and free, one keeps saying, come back to me. But the wind and waves both agree, love isn't holding, it's letting be. That's the truth of the seagull and the sea. Storm clouds gather, bruise the blue. The sea grows dark, the gull flies through. Salt and thunder, sharp and wide, still it won't let go of the tide. Why don't you stay? The ocean cries. I could cradle you, I could quiet your skies. But the gull just laughs in a gust of air. I was born for the open when nothing's fair. Wings get tired, waves get worn, every heart is split and torn. Oh, the seagull and the sea, one wants air, one wants eternity. One keeps flying wild and free, one keeps saying, come back to me. But the wind and waves both agree, love isn't holding, it's letting be. That's the truth of the seagull and the sea. Years go by and drift in sand, footprints fade where they once ran. The gull grows old, the sea stays wide, still they meet at the turning tide. Not to cage, not to claim, not to burn in jealous flame, but to touch in the in-between, where what was lost is what has been. Oh, the seagull and the sea finally learn what love can be. Not a chain, not a destiny, not a fight for custody. It's the courage just to see you can own what makes you free. So you bless the wings, you bless the breeze, you trust the tide to carry dreams. And every evening faithfully the gull comes back to the sea. And not because it has to be, but because it chooses to be. That's a piece of the seagull in the sea.